What's up? Welcome to my channel and nice to see you again. Today I'm gonna talk about the Christmas market in Rynek, Krakow. This is like the really first time that I visit a Christmas market in Krakow because I've been to a Christmas market in Wroclaw, and to be honest, maybe Wroclaw Christmas market is bigger, I would say. I film like a little bit of Christmas market in Krakow, so this feels a little bit of Christmas mood in Krakow. So enjoy the show.